Indian cuisine and flavours are huge in the UK, and one of the most iconic dishes is Chicken Tikka Masala, although actually that was invented in Glasgow. My kids absolutely love it, and this version is really easy to make. We're going to start by marinating the chicken. I've got 3 chicken breasts here that have been chopped into bite-sized chunks, and to that I'm going to add some natural yogurt, some minced garlic and ginger, the juice of half a lemon, ground coriander, turmeric, cumin, paprika, some mild chilli powder, or you can use hot chilli powder if you prefer it spicy, a little bit of cinnamon, some salt and some black pepper. We're going to place that in the fridge to marinate for 2 to 3 hours. About 40 minutes before you're ready to eat, we're going to start making the sauce. So I've got some butter and oil heated in a pan over a medium to high heat. We're going to add a diced onion to the pan and cook it for about 4 to 5 minutes until softened. Now we're going to add garlic, ginger, garam masala, ground coriander, paprika, cumin, cinnamon and tomato puree. Stir all those spices in the pan and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the spices start to release their fragrance. I wish you could smell this, oh my gosh, it smells amazing. Now we're going to add in a chopped red pepper, which isn't typical in a tikka masala, but I like to add in a little bit more veg. And then some tinned tomatoes and water. Stir it all together, then bring to the boil and simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. If you're going to serve your curry with some boiled rice, now's a good time to get the rice on to cook because it will take about 20 minutes now until it's finished. Now we're going to cook the chicken that we marinated earlier. You can either thread the chicken onto skewers and then cook them on the griddle, or you can do like I'm doing, save a little bit of time and just spoon it all out onto a tray and cook it under the grill. Brush them with a little oil before they go under the grill. Then we're going to grill them for about 8 to 10 minutes until cooked through and slightly charred on the outside. To that sauce we're going to add cream, ground almonds and sugar for that creamy sweetness typical of chicken tikka masala. Stir it through, then add the chicken back in and cook for another 5 minutes. Now we're ready to serve with boiled rice and a sprinkling of fresh coriander. It's so satisfying making your favourite takeaway at home, and I think it's tastier too. You can even freeze this one so you've got a super quick meal waiting for you in the freezer.